Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by making sure the Fire TV Stick Lite is on and the remote has fresh batteries. Once done, position yourself within 3-5 feet of the stick and press, and hold the home button for about 10 seconds to initiate pairing. You'll see an on-screen confirmation when pairing succeeds. If you don't, try removing and reinstalling batteries and repeat. This step links the remote's volume signals to your TV or soundbar so you can control audio immediately. Now you'll set how the remote sends volume commands. Go to Settings, then Controllers and Bluetooth devices, then Amazon Fire TV remotes and select your paired remote. Choose the volume control type, TV for direct IR or CEC, receiver if you use an AVR, or none to disable. Once selected, follow the guided tests. Press volume up and down when prompted so the Fire TV learns the correct IR codes, or enable HDMI-CC. Finally, test volume up, down, and mute to confirm everything responds. If the TV doesn't react, rerun the volume setup to recalibrate IR codes, or switch to HDMI-CC in your TV and receiver menus to let signals pass digitally. Make sure nothing blocks the remote's line of sight for IR, replace weak batteries, and move closer to test. If volume still fails, restart the Fire TV Stick Lite and try pairing and setup again. That resolves most lingering communication issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.